Welcome back to Stonehouse Analytics. It's Monday, November 10th, and smart money is opening the week with sharp moves across all 5 core assets. Let's walk through the charts and highlight the most probable reaction zones for this week's start. First up is gold, which continues its aggressive rally. Price has expanded from the 4-hour bullish fair value gap and is now testing the upper imbalance near 4,072.40.80. This move confirms institutional momentum after last week's liquidity grab below 3,940. If bulls can maintain structure above the 4,000 level, we could see a powerful extension toward 4,100. Our bias on gold remains strongly bullish. Next, let's look at silver, which is mirroring gold's pattern. We're seeing a clean expansion from the 4-hour bullish fair value gap right into the daily bearish fair value gap around 49.0 to 49.6. The market might pause here for a partial rebalancing before any further push, as long as the structure holds above 48.0, we can expect a continuation into external liquidity at the 50.0 to 50.3 range. The bias here is bullish, but it's approaching a premium zone. Moving over to the euro, it remains constructive, building on last week's daily bullish fair value gap support. Price is currently hovering near 1.156, which is the midpoint of the prior 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Sustained closes above 1.158 will likely shift control back to the bulls. Our bias on EURUSD is bullish to neutral with strong continuation potential. The pound is also maintaining its strength after rebounding off the daily bullish fair value gap. It's currently consolidating near equilibrium around 1.315. While momentum is flattening out, the structure remains valid as long as 1.308 holds firm. Expect a further push toward the 1.32 to 1.324 area if liquidity continues to flow upward, so the bias is for a mild bullish continuation. Finally, let's analyze NASDAQ. It printed a very sharp rejection from dual 4-hour bearish fair value gaps that were overlapping a volume imbalance near 25,400 to 25,600. This reaction signals a potential retracement back into the equilibrium or the 25,200 to 25,100 zone. If displacement continues below 25,100, the next downside objective rests near the 24,800 level. Our bias on NASDAQ is a bearish correction from this premium range. So overall, gold and silver continue to lead the bullish side of the market, while indices and FX remain reactive to these overhead imbalances. We expect smart money to really define direction midweek once liquidity equalizes. Stay patient, execute with precision, and manage your exposure carefully. This has been your Stonehouse Analytics Monday Market Update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.